Guys, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make nest boxes for rabbits or chickens. It's really inexpensive and you can get it done in just a few minutes. You're going to like this one. Quick, cheap, and easy, very strong, long-lasting, and effective nest boxes. Simply Totes, the ones with the lock-on lids. Because these are going to be out in a colony, it's good to have something to make sure the weather stays off of them. Basically just cutting a hole in one side so the mama can get in and out, make sure that the bottom is up enough where the babies can't get out. Then you can lock the lid, fill it up with lid, lock the lid on it, protects them from rain and all that, and it won't come off with the mama bouncing around in there because it's locked. But it's also very easy when I need to go in and check on the babies and clean it out. If I need to clean it out or whatever, I can take the lid off. So we used to build the nest boxes, but these last longer, they're easy, and I like the lid locked on where she can't knock it off. And all you need to cut it is a box cutter. Cuts very easy with a box cutter. Put some hay in it, snap the lids on, protects from the weather, and easy access when I need to. Works well for rabbits or for chickens. And no, the rabbits don't chew on it. These colony rabbits have plenty enough other stuff to do. They aren't too worried about chewing on plastic. We live in Louisiana and sometimes things like to flood, it also gives them a dry place to go whenever the water table is high in there. They do dig burrows to stay cool and stuff, but sometimes the burrows flood because the water table just gets high. So it gives them a place that's always dry no matter what the weather condition. This bigger one that's been in here, I'm gonna take the lid off and show you. There's some babies in there, doing pretty good. And you could mound dirt up around it to insulate it against heat and cold too, if you want it.
He got real happy. He found his little bedroom. Look at him, all cubbied in there.
Face covered. With his face covered. Look.
Made like a